Hello and welcome everyone to LeapX Huma. This is your host Huma Sheikh, and thank you so much for being here. This is LeapX Leaders, the podcast that I'm going to present in front of you. So those who are watching and listening to LeapX Leader, most welcome to the very first episode of LeapX Leaders. I am really excited for today's guest. This is my first podcast, and she is my first guest. And I know that this particular podcast will help you to keep your fitness and lifestyle healthy. Her insight will help you, first, specifically because of the pandemic, and secondly, because we are celebrating Ramadan. So please welcome to my first guest, dietitian Shahnaz Sheikh.
Thank you, Huma. Thank you so much.
So Shahnaz is Masters in Dietetics from University of Pune, registered dietitian, HOD of Dietetics at Inamdar Multi Specialist Hospital, lifestyle consultant at Destination Clinic Magarpatta, and also she handles lot of corporate sessions under her. So Shahnaz, lot of things. I can see you're doing lot of things, and also you are working for the full time as a healthcare person. You're also working full time in your hospital in Amdar, right? So so how do you maintain this energy? How do you keep up with the work and your own fitness, and also now we are celebrating Ramadan? So how do you keep up with all this?
In this COVID 19 pandemic, every healthcare worker or the medical professionals are having the challenge is that they deliver the care to the patients and preventing further spread of the disease. This is the most important challenge in front of the healthcare worker. And for the motivation is the thing, public health and the safety is the most important concern for all medical professional or the healthcare worker.
Right. So I can see completely dedication is there, right? Not only you're dedicating your time, maintaining immunity, and you're dedicating. So I guess this is what is your key, the dedication toward the patients and the people who are coming to you.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
Okay. See, whenever we talk about like when we are working, immunity is something that keeps us going, right? And like also, like for say example, I'm not a fit person. I'm not at all a fit person. But what I do nowadays is usually, like when we wake up, we are having the regular breakfast. Not This is not only the case with me. A lot of people that I know, a lot of women that I know, my like fellow students, when I ask them how was your day, they are always like, we were all tied up cooking and washing dishes and everything, right? So though people are at their home, they are not having proper time for themselves. And now also, when I am also working from home, I don't get much time to exercise. Still, I make sure, like before sleeping, I'm doing something. If nothing, then I'm doing something. So what would you recommend, for people to maintain in the routine? How we can maintain that routine of...
In fact, it is a Ramzan, or maybe it's not Ramzan nahi bhi hota. That time also we have to concentrate on our food, how to improve or boost our immunity. So in this phase, mostly we have to take a home cooked food. Don't depend on outside food. And in that we have to concentrate on protein, the protein intake, and the most important vitamins which boost your immunity. There are three vital vitamins which boost your immunity. Actually, nowadays we have to concentrate on the intake of our food which is made by home only, and the in this we have to concentrate on protein, and the most important three vital vitamins are there which helps to boost your immunity, that vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D. Then vitamin C and vitamin A rich fruits and vegetables in our daily routine we have to include, and that omega 3 is there which helps to boost your immunity. So omega 3 is the thing, it's present in the fish, variety of fish as having in which the omega 3 is there. Then almonds and walnuts and flax seeds. These are the sources for the vegetarian also. They can also include that omega 3 fatty acid. And your culinary cabinet is also having a lots of herbs and the spices which boost your immunity. In regular food preparation you can include that herbs and spices. Turmeric is there, kalonji is there, then cinnamon, cloves, pepper, all these are having the immunity boosters. And first and most important thing, don't take stress. Stress also affects on your daily routine or maintaining your immunity. So reduce your stress and take homemade and well cooked food. This is the most important thing to boost
Right,
your
this
immunity.
brings to me a very great point that even when the pandemic was not there, कुछ नहीं था, pandemic नहीं है, nothing was there, and people want to diet, people want to get healthy, and they are like मुझे broccoli ही खाना है, मुझे ऐसा ही खाना खाना है, मुझे वैसा ही खाना खाना है. And now this has become challenge. And as you said, the term, as you said, flax seeds, turmeric, ये ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कम रिसोर्सेज हैं भी तो हमारे घर पे अवेलेबल हैं.
Yeah,
या
or available here. Yeah, there is no issue of availability. So we are not suggesting that broccoli or that mushroom or something like that western foods kiwi hi khana, it is not like that. So I have not mentioned the names of that fruits or vegetables. Vitamin C or vitamin A, in the sense even tomato is also having a good immunity booster. It acts as a tomato also, तो वो भी ले सकते हो आप. जैसे कि आप ऑरेंजेस ले सकते हो, लेमन ले सकते हो. Then so many fruits and vegetables are there.
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. सो ये कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो कीपिंग फास्ट, माई सिस्टर इज़ ऑल्सो देयर, शी इज़ कीपिंग फास्ट. सो इट्स जस्ट टू ऑफ अस. सो इन इफ्तारी और इन सहरी इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन फॉर अस कि क्या ऐसा खाएं कि दिन भर हमारा इम्यूनिटी भी इफ़ेक्ट ना हो और डेली रूटीन भी अच्छे से बीत जाए, ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस ना हो, ज़्यादा चैलेंज ना हो. एग्जैक्टली. So, and also for the people now, Shravan will be there for people who will be fasting in Shravan. So in India, every time here and there we are celebrating something and we are fasting. What you would suggest that what are the easiest eating habits we can keep when we are fasting and as well as when we are not fasting?
Actually in fasting, that basically in Ramzan we are taking food in Sahari, and whole day we are not taking nothing, means even water is not there. So for getting long lasting energy, we have to consume the foods which is having lots of complex carbohydrates in Sahari. Complex carbohydrates and that lots of fibers we have to include in our diet. And I prefer to take alkaline foods, or I advise to take alkaline foods which do not produce more acidity in whole day. Basically in Ramzan we are taking food only for 2 times. Actually there is a whole big day is there to do our work and do ibadat and or doing all our daily routine also. So we need a long lasting energy. In Sahari we have to take up foods which is giving us a long lasting energy in whole day. So consume complex carbohydrate, then fibers which give satiety in whole day to you, and include alkaline foods. So complex carbohydrates, whole wheat bread, dalia, oats, or whole wheat chapati, or all the vegetables are good sources of alkaline foods. And milk is there, fruits are there, and dry fruits. These are the foods which we must consume in a sehri. And for iftar thing, that 3 to 5 dates with a glass of sharbat or a bowl of fruits. And as it's a sunnah of our prophet also, they have giving that dates are using for iftar के लिए use करते थे. So we must follow that thing.
So you heard, guys. So all the things I'm going to list down here, that what kind of things you should have, you should intake while you are fasting, whether it is Ramadan, whether it is Shravan, or whether whatever kind of fasting you are keeping or you are not keeping. I'll note down everything in the description as well as in the video as well, so that you can list down all these things and follow the fitness lifestyle. This brings me to my next question, Shahnaz, that whether whatever kind of profession that we have, whether, let's say for example, I am personality coach, you are lifestyle coach, whatever kind of professional we are into, we always face or we always meet people who have certain necessities, who are special, who are in a condition, let's say for example diabetic patient
Yeah.
or pregnant women, if they want.
First of all, I suggest to diabetic or pregnant ladies, they have to consult their consultant diabetologist or gynecologist to adjust their doses or the medications. It's most important in diabetics because they have the they may be have suffering from the complications like hyperglycemia, जैसे ब्लड शुगर बढ़ जाता है, and the hypoglycemia, ब्लड शुगर कम हो जाता है if your meal and medicine is not properly matching. So it's better you have to consult to your diabetologist and adjust the doses. And for the pregnant ladies, if they are having a normal, means they are not having any issues like that, the vomiting or nausea or some other gynec problems are also there. So if with the permission of their consultant, with the permission of their gynec, they can do fast. Then second thing is that about the diet, these people have to avoid that refined flour products. Special conditions like diabetes or in pregnancy, they can do fast, but first of all they have to consult their consultant diabetologist or the gynec about their conditions, and match the medicines with the iftar and the sehri, because diabetics are having maybe they are having that problem of hyperglycemia और hypoglycemia, जैसे शुगर बढ़ जाता है और काफ़ी कम हो जाता है अगर मेडिसिन और फूड का प्रॉपर मैच नहीं हो रहा है. So it is better they have to consult. And for the gynec also, if they are having conditions like कभी अगर vomiting है, nausea है, something like that, they have to take permission from their gynec. And second thing is that कि about the food, they have to include जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला है, कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन फाइबर्स दे हैव टू इंक्लूड इन देयर डाइट. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, दे हैव टू अवॉइड द जूसेस एंड टेट्रा पैक्स एंड दैट रिफाइंड फ्लावर वाले जो प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं.
As you said, all these things that you have given list to us, that everything is present in our home, सब घर पे है और हम सब कुछ घर से ही कर सकते हैं. जो इतना हम बार बार ग्रोसरीज के लिए बाहर जा रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं कि कैसे इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट रखें, क्या खरीदे क्या नहीं खरीदे, एग्जैक्टली नो नीड, एवरीथिंग इज प्रेजेंट. Just the proper guidance that we have just got from you, so that proper guidance, because let's say for example I did not knew that after after iftari I should have dates, more dates. So what we were doing is just having one or even half sometimes. So I did not knew कि हाँ अगर मैं इसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा consume करूँगी so it will be helpful for me. So I'm going to apply that definitely, which brings me to our last question. So before going and before ending the show, just last question I would like to ask you is, what are the 5 tips that you would like to give to our audience so that they can maintain and boost their immunity in this pandemic?
So first of all, I suggest them कि that first tip is that कि they have to take homemade food. In this COVID-19 pandemic and in Ramzan also, mostly in Ramzan now we are preferred to outside food, जैसे पकौड़ी होती है, then bhajia and something like that, spicy and chatpata sa. Yeah, but now due to that infectious thing is there, all surroundings it is so infectious, so we are fear having that infection. So it is better you have to prepare whatever you want, you prepare at your home. Don't depend on outside food. Then second thing is that hydration is also very important. That in सहरी also or any इफ्तार we are taking a lots of juices और कुछ ऐसा liquids ले लेते हैं, कुछ खा लेते हैं, तो we forget about the water, plain water intake. So as we all know that our body is made up of with 70% of water. So we require water. So don't forget about drink of water. Plain water is also important. Third thing is that ki don't count your calories. It's a time. Don't count your calories. Concentrate on your nutrient. Wholesome meal. Good quality meal is important to fight with that COVID-19 pandemic. And doing Ramzan अच्छे से करना है, इबादत करनी है. For all those things we require a good quality food. Don't count your calories. It's not important nowadays. Then do some exercises also. It's very important. Even if we are in a lockdown phase, but still our body need to move sometimes we have to move ना, ऐसे नहीं होता है कि आप पूरा stuck हो गए हो. So do some exercises in your corridor premises में walk कर लो 20 minutes का, 30 minutes का, और before तरावी और after तरावी some exercises on your choice जो भी रहेंगे, you do some exercise or some activities. It's very important. And the last and the fifth thing is that ki perform ibadat and don't take stress. Stress नहीं लेना है कि we are in lockdown, we are in COVID-19, we are in Ramzan. Constantly if you are thinking of that things ना, it makes a pressure on our body. So we can't do anything. फिर हम कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं. Always in a stress conditions. So इससे काफ़ी सारा effect हो जाता है body पे. And stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much, Shahnaz. Thank you so much. As you said that we don't need to take stress, ibadat karni hai, and this goes for everybody who are fasting, whether it is of any caste, because as I said, Shravan is around the corner. People are keeping fast in normal basis as well. In India, people keep fast on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. So fasting is a part of our culture, part of our Indian culture. So I hope that whatever the insight that she had given, I learned a lot. And thank you so much for your presence in our show, for being my first guest. And anything to my viewers, anything that you felt that caught your attention and you felt like, yes, this is the point that I can implicate in my lifestyle as well, then please tell us, please mention on the comment section, please tell us. My Instagram handle is leapxhuma, and Shahnaz's Instagram handle is
Shahnaz, SHAHE.NAZJ.
Thank you so much, Shahnaz. I love what you're doing and the way you present it. Thank you so much for being with us. It's exactly the advice people wanted to hear in this current situation. Anything from this conversation that helped you, connected with you, and you think which will make your lifestyle better, then connect with us at the rate leapxhuma and at the rate Shahnaz on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, comment section, anywhere, any social platform where you're active. I love listening what you tell us. I love listening your feedbacks, your ideas, because it helps me to bring better guests to you, better content to you. So thank you so much for your presence, for listening and watching to LeapX Leaders.